Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down the Nitro 5 and unplugging everything. That prevents shorts and preserves data. Once done, remove the bottom cover using a Phillips #0 or T5. Keep screws in order because one may be longer. Make sure to disconnect the internal battery or at least hold the power button for 5 seconds after unplugging to drain residual charge. Ground yourself with a wrist strap or touch case metal. This protects the SSD and motherboard from electrostatic discharge as you begin the physical swap. After opening the chassis, identify the M2 2280 slot. It's usually labeled and sits at an angle. You remove the retaining screw, lift the module gently out of the slot, and pull it free by holding the edges. Avoid touching the gold contacts. If your model uses a 2.5 SATA bay instead, unfasten the bracket and detach the SATA and power cables before removing the drive. Inspect the slot and connector for dust and use a short burst of compressed air. This prevents poor contact and future errors. Now install the new SSD by sliding the M2 module into the slot at the same angle and pressing it down to seat the standoff. Then secure with the screw, reattach the battery and replace the cover. Boot into BIOS right away to confirm the drive is detected, enable OSI if necessary, and set your boot order before loading an OS or cloning image. If the drive is not detected, reseat it, try the slot with a known good drive, or update BIOS firmware. These steps solve most recognition issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.